More than 2,500 years ago, in ancient Greece, a remarkable group of people began asking questions that would change the world. They wondered, what is the universe made of? Where did everything come from? How can we know what is true? What makes a good life? At a time when many people explain the world through myths and legends, Greek thinkers searched for answers using observation, logic, and reason. They believed the world was not just a mystery to admire, it was a mystery to understand. One of the earliest thinkers was Thales. He looked at nature and tried to discover the basic substance from which everything comes. Later, Pythagoras explored mathematics and believed numbers could reveal hidden patterns in the universe. Other philosophers debated whether everything is constantly changing or whether something remains the same forever. These thinkers did not always agree, but they shared one important belief: questions matter. Their search for knowledge eventually led to one of the most famous philosophers in history, Socrates. Socrates believed that wisdom begins with questioning. He would talk with people in the streets of Athens and ask them simple but powerful questions. What is justice? What is courage? What is wisdom? His goal was not to win arguments, but to help people think more deeply. His student Plato continued this tradition by writing about philosophy, knowledge, and the ideal society. Then came Aristotle, Plato's student, who studied nearly everything he could, from animals and politics to logic and ethics. Together, these thinkers helped shape philosophy, science, mathematics, and education. Their ideas spread from Greece to Rome and eventually influenced much of the world. But perhaps their greatest lesson is not a particular answer. It is the courage to ask questions. The ancient Greeks believed that curiosity is one of humanity's greatest strengths, and even today, every time we ask why, how, or what if, we continue a journey that began thousands of years ago in ancient Greece. Because philosophy starts with a simple idea: never stop wondering,